Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Tuesday night. Let me ask you this question. Are you having fun yet? Have you had enough snow? Is your back, does your body hurt? I'll tell you, I've shoveled the driveway so many times. I'm like, really? I have nowhere else to put it. It's incredible to me. We have so much snow. Everybody's been screaming. You know what? Wait a minute. I'm going to tell you exactly what people have been saying to me. You ready? Listen to this.
I need somebody help, not just anybody. You know I need someone help.
That's right. They've been screaming help. So the weather guy is supposed to help you out. All right. Which way did you come in? That's an old joke. Speaking of old jokes, I won't go there. All right. Don't mind me. That's called no sleep. I just want to talk to you a little bit about some snow depths. You've heard it a million times before, but Cohasset 28.3, Milton 27.7. The jackpot that I can see so far is Rockland 31, Norwell had 28, 24 in Hingham. Officially at Logan Airport, let me just scroll down here and see, I think it was 23.8. Incredible snowfall. But I have some good news for you. So let's get into the weather headline. Well, partially good news anyway for you. We miss a big snowstorm. I do think we'll see some light snow late Thursday and Thursday night. It's not going to be a big deal. Some of the roads could get a little slick. All it takes is a dusting to a half inch, and we may get a dusting to an inch or two in the greater Boston area by late Thursday night. But there will be a big ocean storm that really needs to be watched beginning Saturday midday straight on through Sunday morning. Right now, the latest computer models would say the heaviest of that is going to be east of us, and that might be the real world, but we need to watch it very carefully. All right, let's look at the latest satellite loop. We have another storm that's trying to come up the coast, but mostly it's going to go out to sea, but it is instrumental in keeping the low clouds in with the north and northeasterly airflow. So along the coast tonight, it'll be cloudy. Could be a touch of light snow or flurries over the Cape and the islands, and maybe a flurry in Boston, but that is about that. Now, as we look at the bigger picture here, this is the water vapor loop, and you'll be able to see this storm is winding up in the mid-Atlantic. This is another storm that will miss us moving off to the northeast, but throwing some clouds in here. Here comes the Thursday situation. An area of low pressure with the frontal zone will dive southeast, giving us a period of light snow. That's not a big deal. But look what's coming upstream here, all this Pacific moisture. This means business. This is going to be diving into the middle portion of the country and redeveloping on the mid-Atlantic coast on Saturday. Again, we need to watch it very carefully. So by, what do I have here? I have 1 o'clock Thursday afternoon. We have a cold front. Now, low pressure is developing southeast of New England. It's just going to be too little, too late. And even though we'll get a period of snow with the front in this area of low pressure, it's just not going to be a big deal. It's a near miss for us. I know a lot of folks are very happy about that. Now let's talk about the weekend event. I'm going to jump ahead. There'll be snow coming in here Saturday morning because of a cold frontal zone in the development of low pressure in all levels of the atmosphere moving towards New England. But as we just bottom line you here, by 1 o'clock Sunday morning, there's one heck of an ocean storm. But look how far to the east-southeast it is. And normally you'd say, gee, Mark, what are you worried about? Well, let me tell you a couple of other things. I want to put on the 500 millibar map. This is the wind field and the pressure field at 18,000 feet, halfway up into the atmosphere. Look at this sharp trough of low pressure moving into New England. That has me a little bit nervous. This storm is really going to intensify over very warm ocean water. And I want to put on the 700 millibar map for you. This is moisture at 10,000 feet where you see dark green. That's where it's precipitating steadily, as you see over New England. And you see the 700 millibar wants to close off over us. So the big question is, how much of this development can we capture? As this thing is progressive, it's moving, and it's going to bomb offshore. I don't have the total answer to that yet. I can say the potential is there for a few inches, maybe 7 inches of snow, being Saturday midday and ending very early Sunday morning. Could there be more? Sure. But right now, I think the worst of it is going to be east of us, but I can tell you this, behind it, it's going to be brutally cold with a lot of wind. Locally overnight, cloudy along the coast with the north and northeast wind, maybe some flurries, clear well inland, and where it is clear, it'll be near zero. Elsewhere along the coast, it'll be in lower 20s. Now, here's your 5-day forecast. Tomorrow, a lot of clouds to start the day. Certainly along the coast, could be a little peekaboo sun. Any light snow or flurries along the coast and the Cape will end. Temps again will be in low 30s as it was today. I put some rock salt on my driveway, trying to melt some of this caca de la rente, And then, nice language, Mark. And then on Thursday, it's clouding up. There's could be some light snow developing during the afternoon. It's in the upper 20s. A period of light snow is likely Thursday night, a dusting to an inch or two. And then Friday, it's partly sunny, windy, bitterly cold. It's 16, going below zero. At night, quickly clouding over. Saturday, light snow by midday, only 17. Snow could be steadiest in eastern New England, down towards the Cape and the Islands for Saturday night and Sunday. The potential is there for a few inches, maybe several inches. Of course, we'll be around and we'll keep you posted. Could it be now that we're going the other way and the storms are just a threat and they happen out at sea? It's possible, at least for a while. We all could use a break. All right, that's my latest weather forecast. Thanks for checking in. Of course, we'll be around. We'll keep you posted. I'm meteorologist Buck Rosenthal.